Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use PandaBuy for reps. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. This is actually very easy. All you need to do is head over to PandaBuy. Let's say you want shoes. So we're gonna search for shoes and you'll see that a bunch of shoes come up. Now we don't know which one is, the replication. So what we need to do is head over to another tab and search for PandaBuy shoes spreadsheet. You can also search for clothes spreadsheet, whatever you want to buy basically, and then click on the first link that comes up, and you see they have a bunch of spreadsheets. So we click on anyone that we want or like. Let's say this one, and then you'll see that they have a bunch of these ones. Let's say I want this one, so I'm just gonna click on link, copy, and after that it's going to direct me into PandaBuy where that product is, and then you can see that this is the exact replica and you can buy it from here. And there you go, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.